Zoe. Hi, babe.
I like the little spot. I like the cars. I wonder where the food at. I see something like there. It's a bunch of different cars out here, guys, from BMWs to Lexus to, I mean, they got Aston Martin out here. A bunch of different cars. Just came to get some quick content, nothing more.